पहचानना मुश्किल होगा। बहरहाल मुआयना तो करें।
कितनी जल्दी कोई नतीजा निकाल सकेंगे?
यही कोई हफ्ता भर
the
इंशाल्लाह।
effects are starting to show.
आपकी तबीयत कुछ नासाज लगती है मेजर साहब।
जी हाँ, कुछ बेचैनी सी है। मैं चलता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
जी।
Yeah, might take just a few hours. Yeah.
सलमा,
जी
खाने की तैयारी करना। मियाँ कह रहे थे आज घर जल्दी आ जाएंगे।
जी
No, he won't. I wonder if they'll make the connection that I don't think so because it shows that it's a natural death.
سلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين بحق لا إله إلا الله.
कैसे मुल्क को महफूज रखें जब अपने ही लोग नमक हराम निकले। समझ नहीं आता अल्लाह की क्या मर्जी है। पहले अब्दुल, फिर महबूब, तो अब ये सब।
Oh no. Did they all get found out? Something is going very wrong.
सर्वर स्टोर।
जी हाँ बोलिए।
कुछ सौदा लेना है नियाज के लिए। अर्जेंट है। आधे घंटे में आ जाऊं?
जी हाँ, मैं इंतज़ार करूँगा।
और काबुली चने भी चाहिए 8 mm साइज के।
इधर आ जाएं आप।
सादिक और इम्तियाज को एजेंसी ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। कबीर साहब पर भी नजर रखी जा रही है। मीर साहब से किसी तरह बात हो सकती है।
मुश्किल है। इंडिया की तमाम लाइनें बंद हैं। मशरिक में गुरिल्लाओं ने कुछ पुल उड़ा दिए हैं। उन्हें हथियार हिंदुस्तान से मिल रहे हैं। ये पाकिस्तानी मिलिट्री को पता चल चुका है। जंग तो अब होकर ही रहेगी।
खुदा खैर रखे।
अगर कोई खतरा महसूस हो तो इशारे के तौर पर आप अपने बाथरूम की बत्ती जलाकर रखिएगा। हम आपको निकाल लेंगे।
Hopefully they can. They wouldn't have known if not for her.
जनाब,
Yeah, she didn't have time to warn him.
सर हमने सारे रास्ते आजमा लिए। अपने किसी भी आदमी तक पहुंचना नामुमकिन हो गया, यहाँ तक कि फर्स्ट सेक्रेटरी तक भी नहीं। और सर अभी इंफॉर्मेशन आई है कि स्विच बोर्ड लाइन भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो चुकी है।
सहबत बिल्कुल अकेली रह गई है।
Yeah.
अब कोई सपोर्ट नहीं और उस तरफ क्या हो रहा है कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा। फौरन एक बैकअप टीम तैयार करो और सहमत को
She
निकालो।
knew the job hazards. Still doesn't make it any less. Oh. Oh, why are they here? It couldn't be anybody else that they're coming for, but she's not found out yet, right? I don't think there is anything that would have led them to her. They are keeping watch because they said keep the bathroom light on as a sign. If you're in danger, we'll get you out. Yeah, what a nerve-wracking situation, but that comes with that. Did she leave the bathroom light on? They didn't show. Maybe not, because she doesn't look like she's expecting. Oh, she forgot it! Too late now. She left it on the whole night. Now they'll try to get her out. Is this how they'll get her out? But that's a
जनाब,
Pakistani
कर्नल बशीर अहमद साहब तशरीफ लाए हैं।
Yeah.
जनाब,
So
माफी चाहता हूँ कर्नल साहब, पर अब्बा इस वक्त घर पे नहीं है।
मैं मातमपुर से के लिए हाजिर हुआ हूँ। मेजर साहब एक जमाने में मेरी यूनिट में थे।
Oh, that's him. He's here to get her out. So it looks like he doesn't know him. That's why he didn't recognize that it's not really the one, the Pakistani officer he claims to, or colonel that he claims to be. Yeah, she'll know.
मेरी बेगम है।
There's nothing showed on her face.
आप हैं
Of
कर्नल
course.
बशीर अहमद, बड़े भाई कभी इनकी कमांड में थे।
भाईजान, आपके लिए फोन है।
जी।
अपने नवासे के लिए कुछ खिलौने ले जाना चाहता हूँ। यहाँ का क्राउन प्लाजा मॉल काफी मशहूर है, सुना है। क्या वहाँ खिलौनों की दुकान है?
जी हाँ, है। कैसा खिलौना चाहिए?
I knew that they would speak in code no matter what.
उसी की तलाश है।
वहाँ मिल जाएगी।
बहुत खूब। 2 घंटे में खरीदने जाऊंगा।
She'll meet them there and they'll take her out safely to a safe place.
ऐसा है मेजर, अब्दुल के हाथ में मिला टुकड़ा मोड़ सीमेंट का पुर्जा है, इसीलिए तलाशी जरूरी है।
सर, महबूब भाई पूरा कमरा छान चुके थे, कुछ नहीं मिला उन्हें।
Yeah, she hit something here. Now it's gonna show that he was the informer.
अंदर कमरे में कुछ ट्रांसमिशन का सामान बरामद हुआ है, उनकी एंट्री कर दो। जी जनाब।
Did he notice something that they didn't show? Maybe he just feels betrayed. Are these what I think? But she knows she has them and that heel on her shoes. Oh yeah, these are from the anklet. Oh, I wonder if he's gonna he must recognize it because they are dear to him. They are his mother's. I think maybe that's why he's crying. It's not that just he's been feeling betrayed because of Abdul. Oh my god, that is bad. If he made that connection, that is really bad for her. Yeah, she can't risk it, but he doesn't deserve that. He's such a good guy. Oh my god, that's the hardest thing. And she just confirmed it. No, there's no going back. There's no going back.
एक मेरे लिए, एक अपने लिए, दूसरा कोई रास्ता नहीं है।
She knew that he must have made the connection. She couldn't risk
एजेंसी
it
को अभी
anyway.
खबर नहीं है, क्योंकि उन्हें वो सबूत नहीं मिला जो मेरे पास है। सच था हमारे दरमियान।
That's really
मैंने
heartbreaking.
चाहा नहीं था कि ऐसा हो, पर ये सब होता चला गया।
कुछ भी सच था सहमत।
That's what matters to him. He really loved her. Oh my god,
मैं
that's
अगर सच
heartbreaking.
कहूंगी
Yeah, will you be able to
तो
trust me?
पार कर लेंगे।
Exactly. Exactly.
पर सबसे बड़ा सच ये है कि हिंदुस्तान से आगे मेरे लिए कुछ
Yeah. Doesn't mean that it wasn't real, but her country is her priority. That's really heartbreaking. That's gonna be the hardest thing for her, to put it mildly.
मोहब्बत कुछ नहीं।
So he's gonna have to, yeah.
सबसे बेहतर ये कौन समझ सकता है? मैंने कभी तुम पर काबू पाने की कोशिश नहीं की, अब भी नहीं करना चाहूंगा।
मिस मुनीरा खाला आ गई।
I don't think she can do that. She can't use him as a hostage. Such a situation. Yeah, she had to use him as an excuse to go to the mall. So yeah, and she has to have a security.
वो
She doesn't
महफूज
want.
रहे, ये आप पर है।
She has to. She doesn't mean that she needs to do anything, but she.
एक रत्ती भर की लड़की ने हमारे पूरे खानदान को तबाह कर दिया, हमारे प्यार हमारे यकीन की धज्जियां उड़ा दी। हिदायत यार था मेरा, मगर भूल कैसे गया कि वह आखिर है तो इंडियन। मुझे माफ कर दो बेटा।
नहीं अब्बा, ऐसा ना कहें। जो भी हुआ, इस वक्त हालात संभालना जरूरी है।
हमारी बहू सिद्दीकी साहब के पोते को लेकर ये कहूंगा एजेंसी से, उस हरामखोर ने जो
वो जो भी करती रही अपने मुल्क के लिए करती रही, जैसे हम करते हैं।
What a dangerous situation. Like, you really don't know which way it'll go. Can go either way. Yeah, she didn't have to. The important thing is she got there. She didn't have to get him out.
Agent 1 move in, isolate target.
Oh no. Are they gonna get to her first? They're so close to her.
Abort exfiltration. Abort exfiltration. Target compromised. I
Yeah.
repeat, abort.
But still, they will try to get her. They know now. Yeah.
Agents हर तरफ मौजूद है.
What a situation. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
They have.
Plan B पर शिफ्ट कर जाओ.
They're gonna kill him?
ये आप क्या कह रहे हैं सर?
That's the only way out. उसको निकाल भी नहीं सकते और
Oh
छोड़ भी
my
नहीं
god, they're gonna kill her?
सकते. वतन के आगे कुछ नहीं.
Now.
I wonder if it's her. What if it's not her? How did they know for sure that it was her? Who was that? I don't understand. What happened then? It doesn't look like that he's surprised. See, yeah, they must have arranged that. But what exactly happened? That was someone else who looked exactly like her. She was covered. She had the same handbag. And that's what they didn't show us.
सरवर भाई शायद पीछे
Yeah.
क्राउन प्लाजा तक पहुंचना है।
She knew. Because she left him. He must have informed on her. Yeah. Maybe that. Yeah. She's the one who went instead of her. They would see, like, the other officers, they would see that it was not really her. Yeah, oh, that's really heartbreaking. What a tragedy.
क्यों मारा उन्हें?
What a...
किस वफादारी का सबक देते हैं आप लोग? मैंने अपना ज़मीर, अपनी जिंदगी सब दिया आपके लिए, और आपने जान नहीं बख्शी थी मेरी।
जंग में ऐसा ही होता है सहमत, कई बेकसूर मारे जाते हैं, लेकिन जंग में सिवाय जंग के और कुछ मायने नहीं रखता।
नहीं समझ आती आपकी ये दुनिया। रिश्तों की कदर है ना जान की। इससे पहले कि मैं पूरी तरह आप जैसी बन जाऊं, मुझे सबसे निकलना है।
Not everyone is cut out for this.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है।
Things that they have to do sometimes. Not everybody can do or live with this. Did he do something to her? Or did she just...
डॉक्टर का कहना
She
है कि
pregnant?
जानती हूँ, लेकिन मैं इकबाल के बच्चे को गिराऊंगी नहीं। कोई कत्ल नहीं होगा मुझसे।
That was unexpected. Though not out of the question, of course, but nobody would think of that in light of all that was happening.
हमारे इंटेल ने पाकिस्तान से एक मैसेज इंटरसेप्ट किया है। चिटागोंग पोर्ट पे एक खास लुब्रिकेशन ऑयल की इंक्वायरी हुई है, जो सिर्फ सबमरीन्स और माइन स्वीपर्स में इस्तेमाल होता है। और पाकिस्तान से विशाखापट्टनम की दूरी पाकिस्तान की एक ही सबमरीन पूरा कर सकती है, पीएनएस गाजी, जो आईएनएस विक्रांत को टारगेट करने के लिए रवाना हुई।
इंडिया वॉर जीत गई है। इंडियन आर्मी ने 90,000
जीत का जश्न मनाते हुए हम ये भी याद रखते हैं कि हमने क्या क्या हारा है। जंग में नुकसान सिर्फ जान का नहीं होता, कभी कभी कैजुअलिटीज ऑफ वॉर जिंदा भी रह जाते हैं।
It does say that it's a true story and it's based on true events. Wow, that was intense. And yeah, that was Razi, and I've heard a lot of things about it. I do see that it lives up to all the hype. It's one of those important films that deal with patriotism and with the horrors of war and all those unknown soldiers and souls that sacrifice their lives, their dreams, their peace of mind, even for the sake of serving their country. It's not an easy thing to do, no matter how noble we are and how much we want to do such valiant and heroic deeds. It's not in everyone's DNA or capability to have what it takes to be able to pull off such missions successfully that require such intelligence, such very high degree of focus, and basically be like a machine. You can't forget anything, you can't miss anything. Even a machine can have malfunctions sometimes, but because there's so many things at stake that are very, very, very huge and important, and your life is at stake. Your country's well-being sometimes also is at stake if your cover is blown. Even if you pull it off, like the level of anxiety and stress that you'll be living out each day, it's not easy. That alone is such a hard thing to go through and to be prepared for. And you can train, you can think that you are capable of this, but when you go through it and when you are faced with things that you just have to do, no matter how hard, painful, and undoable they are, just like she had to, sometimes no matter how much you think you're prepared and you are willing to make that sacrifice, you will do it because that you have no other choice. But it's not something that you'll be able to live with. The trauma that you go through because of that, and you can't just go back on it. You can't change what happened, and you lose things along the way. Like, you can tell that she really loved Iqbal. It's honestly very hard not to love a guy like this, and the way he was treating her, the way that he loved her, genuinely and devotedly, and the way that it showed how much of a respectable, good person he was. He just happens to be from the other party, and she's defending her country against, and that's heartbreaking. That's painful. That's definitely something that she wasn't prepared for, or ever thought that it's a possibility that it could happen. It was a mission for her that she was fully prepared to take on. Definitely, she didn't get out of the situation or the ordeal without being very, very, very severely scarred by it, which is unfortunate, of course, but like, yeah. So definitely a very important film that has a strong message that makes us appreciate those unknown heroes that make such huge sacrifices. The film was well done. I like the cinematography. It just makes you feel so real, like that you are like within the events that are taking place, where there is no time just like to enjoy the weather or to enjoy the beautiful scenery, even though they were there. But like, you're more focused on the events, on the state of mind of the characters. Well-directed film. The music and the songs were full of patriotism, as to be expected. No surprise there. Alia Bhatt performance was like top notch. She's such a great, talented actress. I love her her authentic way, natural, simple way of just being the character. You don't even feel that she's acting. She's just being. She's so natural. She's just so free flowing. You can tell, and you do believe that she is Selmet, and her reactions are always like on point. It's never overacting or underacting, or it's not acting at all. You do believe that it's her. The way she delivers the lines. Vicky Kaushal is also a great actor. Like his performance was so good. He also delivered such an authentic portrayal of the character. He was that calm, respectable, quiet guy that is really sensitive, that is really attentive, who, like, even though he was calm and quiet, you can feel his presence. Like, he has a strong presence. He has the simplest gesture that he does has a meaning behind it, that you can feel the honesty behind it. Like when he was, like the gestures that he was doing when he was giving her time to know him, and not imposing himself on her or just acting like, okay, you're my wife, so you're expected to be like this, you're expected to do this. He was really attentive to her. He was really attuned to her. The way he was so tender with her, the way that he was treat her, it was no wonder that she fell in love with him. But that didn't make her lose her focus and her purpose. The way that she put her country first, even before herself, before her dreams, before her future, and then before the man that she loved. So yeah, definitely something to be respected. I can definitely see why many people like this film. I really loved it. I was happy that I got to watch it finally. I definitely don't know a lot of things about the political things. You definitely know more about it than me, but that didn't prevent me from appreciating the film, from understanding the plot. Definitely let me know what you think about the film. If you liked it or not, if you agree with me or not, if there are some things that I missed and you think that I should know about, definitely let me know in the comments below. I would love to know everything about, like I said, films and movies are my passion, and especially when I like a film. I'd like to know trivia. I like to know like fun facts, whatever it is to know that will even enhance your appreciation or understanding of the film. I would very much be happy to know about it. Also, what was your favorite or most impactful moment for you from this film? Thank you so very much for watching. Do hit the like button if you like this reaction. It would be so much for me and it would be supportive of this channel. I do hope to see you again in the next reaction. Do also let me know what are your recommendations, what you think that which important movies that you think I need to watch next. I would definitely appreciate it. Have a great day and hopefully see you in the next reaction. Bye.